We're here at InstallFree with Yuri Gabi. He's the CEO of InstallFree. How's the show been working for you today?
Great show. A lot of traffic. People, we see a market that understands the value proposition of application virtualization. People come and ask very good questions. We're very excited.
And you guys won the Gold Award for Best of Show, right?
Absolutely. We're very happy to get recognized. And to bring to market a product that actually solved the very difficult issues of IT operational efficiency and end-user productivity by providing a platform that enables companies to deliver applications to end-user anywhere at any time.
Could we see a little demo of what your product does?
Absolutely. So Phil Gunter is going to walk you through the demo, and I'll be here to answer any questions you may have.
Great, thanks.
All right, so we ready to get going?
Yeah.
All right, excellent.
See it.
So it's an application virtualization and delivery solution. Right? So we deliver virtual apps just like we package them up, keep them on the running OS. The idea is to completely lock down your operating system. Right? You don't want your user to make any changes, but you want them to have some autonomy within their applications. Okay. So let's take a look. It's a completely locked down machine. I can't change the time. I'm not an administrator. And I have nothing on it. So if I take a look, you see I have no file associations. Right? So let's do a quick deployment, and we'll see how we react to a PowerPoint and an Excel file. So we'll go to our management console. Right? This is an application running on a desktop machine. Right? We don't require any kind of server other than a file share. Right? So no big server sprawl. We can still deploy all the applications that you need from a file share, from a simple network share. So let's look at our management console, and I'm going to deploy Microsoft Office out to our users. Okay, right click. These are prepackaged applications. And let's give our users Office 2003. And I'm not going to give them any expansions like a toolbar or anything like that. We'll do that in a minute. And let's also give them WinRAR, which is a compression. I saw that in there. And I click OK. Now watch my screens. You can see my XP desktop. My virtual service is going to notice that I have new apps. It's also going to run on Vista. It's also going to run on terminal services. Okay, same application runs across all the platforms. So let's go back and take a look at what happened to my files. Full shell integration. So I've got all my application extensions. I can see all of my apps. When I go to run them, they're going to come down from the server at first launch, and I'm going to run virtual PowerPoint. So just like that, your user has PowerPoint. Okay?
That's great.
And this is a quick review of what it takes to deploy InstallFree technology. No file server, it's all software. Right? So we need a file share somewhere up in the network. And we run on Office, we run on Windows XP or Vista, 32-bit, 64-bit. It can be virtual or conventional. So you can run in a VDI environment if you want, in a Citrix Zen desktop environment, anything out in the server, it doesn't matter, right? And it runs across platforms, so you're looking at Vista, terminal services, and XP. Okay? So let's show an update. So let's look at Excel, and I'm a very plain version of Excel. Okay, now let's say I want to do an addition, so a lot of people have Excel add-ons. So we don't need to redeploy the application, all we need to do is deploy the add-on that goes with Excel. Okay, so let's take a look back at our management console. I'm going to go to my user, manage his applications, and I'm going to give him the MSN Money toolbar. Right here. That's it. So I just made his application smarter, I just did an expansion. So we call it dynamic desktop computing. So dynamically, when I run the app, I'm going to get Excel, and I'm going to get my MSN Money toolbar mixed in. So let's take a look. And when I run Excel now, you'll see other than being plain virtual Excel, I also have a toolbar with it. I can do the same thing for patching applications. So we want you to package everything separately. Keep all of your little additions to your application separate. And the same thing with upgrades. So let's say you want to go to a new version. don't redeploy the application. Simply deploy the upgrade or the service pack in a virtual environment, and dynamically it'll combine, and that's what your users will get. What else is nice is you can easily take away an application. So if I wanted to take away the toolbar, let's go back to the management console. Just as easily as I can give it to a user, I can take it back.
It's that easy, huh?
It's that easy. So let's say my patch didn't work as expected. Okay, maybe I damaged one of my business units that was trying to do something. It won't matter here because I can simply take it away, and I can take it away at any level. What's nice about the deployment options, if you look at the management console, I can deploy at any level within my organization. Right? So we take a read-only look at Active Directory, and we can deploy applications to any group, any security group, any user, or any machine. Okay, so I can go all the way up to my entire company and deploy apps to everybody, and then patch individual business units. It's that granular.
Where can our viewers go if they want to find out more information about your products?
Come to InstallFree.com. You can sign up for a demo. We do demos every Wednesday at 1 o'clock Eastern Time. So you can sign up for those there, and that's a live demo. You can ask questions. You can do whatever you want. There's also a flash up there, and you can sign up to download a trial version.
Well, great. Thanks for taking the time to talk to us today.
Thanks for stopping by.